Good day, everyone. Trust we're having a lovely day. So today I'll quickly be talking about how to create multiple accounts on Algorand web, Algorand app this time around. So if this is your first time creating an account on Algo, so all you have to do is download the Algorand app and you click on register. You follow the process through. You write down your key phrase and you set your account up. So if you want to add multiple accounts, all you have to do is click on this plus sign. You click on it, you click on add account, you click on create new account, and you just follow through. You follow through. So that is the simplest way of creating multiple accounts on Argo. So I'll be the main topic for the day is how to mint on Argo around shit. So since this is your first time, right? This is the kind of thing you'll be having. This place. Can you see this ID blah 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 and Argo 00 and add asset. When you say mint or add asset or add, so what it means is you just have to come to your app. If you are using web, you go to your web. If you are using app, you come to your app and you click on add new asset. You click on add new asset. You paste the ASA here. You'll be given the ASA. It's of 11 digits. So let me try and see if I have one here. Okay, this is one. Can you see choice coin? This is for choice coin. So if I'll click. Let's assume after pasting this ASA, it doesn't bring this choice coin everything. All you have to do is click on this all part. So if you click on all, it will surely bring it. So choice coin, you tap on choice coin, then you approve. Can you see it said you need at least 0.201 Argos to add this asset. So that means before you can add any assets on Argo, you need to deposit at least 0.201. So and how do you deposit Argo inside your wallet? You come here, you click on Argo, you click on receive, and you click on copy address, or you just share the QR code, or you screenshot your QR code and take it to probably a vendor or your Binance app and send some Argo there. But always remember the minimum transfer of any exchange you are using. If you need a trusted vendor to buy Argo, you can reply to this video. I'll surely get to you, or you can join our Telegram escrow group and our Telegram channel where we drop updates on anything cryptocurrency. So that's simplest way and the easiest way to add Algorand asset. So thank you all for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell on so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you.